welcome. So this is holiday time, and holiday time is fun to do. To me, I think it's fun to do really easy little projects, and this is perfect, and it's why I picked this pattern number 90, Jorja's Wrap, as the POM. So the pricing is cheaper than any of our regular patterns. We put it at $14.99, but the Fit to Stitch website has no shipping on it. So it's literally just $14.99, that's all it is. So a little while ago, this has been months ago, I was shopping and I saw this little wrap, Jorja's Wrap. I think that's what we named it? Yeah, Jorja's Twisted Wrap. Thank you, Jorja. And I saw this wrap and it had a hood on the back and I thought that is just adorable. So when I was thinking about the pattern and to put for this month, I wanted to be easy, I wanted to be simple, and I wanted to have a few variations, and this just fit the bill perfectly. So the fabric is new. I just put it up on the site. It's a knit, it's a poly cotton knit. It has two-way stretch. It's a stripe, and as you can see, that stripe just makes a really fun variation on this. You want to pick a fabric that you like both sides. So one side is definitely the preferred side on this fabric, but I like them both. And so you can see that it wraps in the front and then it has a little tail in the back. I just love this little wrap. It's just so cute. And then what I did is I added a little hood. So the little hood is adorable as can be also, and I'll show you just how to do that. It's very, very simple to do, just like the wrap is. It won't take long. So you're gonna make up the wrap exactly like you wanted it to be. And your finish is always what is the deciding thing you want to do. Whatever your finish is, you're going to finish on your hood also. So for instance, on this one, I just decided to use a 4-thread. It had, it kind of blended in with the stripe to me. You really can't even see it. It gave it a little bit of drape. Everything was perfect. A rolled edge to me was just a little bit too fine for this weight of fabric. But you know, it's all opinion. And so whatever you decide, obviously, is the right way to go. So I just completely finished all the edges. I made it just like the directions, very simple to do, number 90. And then I used the hood from pattern number 109, the hoodie and top. You can just trace a hood, whatever you want to use. I sewed the center back seam. Again, I finished this front edge exactly how I finished the wrap. Then what you want to do is the center back of the hood should go at the center back of this wrap. And so you can completely make the wrap, and I went back and forth on all these different ways to do it. And this is so easy. I just decided to go with this way and not try to tell you where on the pattern. That's almost just more complicated. So what you're going to do is just put it on and reach back and mark the middle. So you can see that this seam, which is the only seam you sew, which if I turn to the back, you can see where that is. It's not quite the center, but so I chose right here to be the center. And you can either put it on yourself or put it on a dress form, either way. Take the center and just go this way and this way with it. And so you can see that the hood itself actually comes around to the front a little bit, and this works well on that. No big deal. You don't really have to make any changes. And you can see that it easily comes up, easily makes the hood. It's so cute. I just love it. I just love the wrap. So to add a hood to it, I just thought was a fun little thing. Again, easy project, nothing much to consider other than get a hood pattern you like, make sure it's deep enough for your head, and then also make sure that your finishes, however you're finishing the wrap, you're going to finish the hood as well, and just make sure the finish and the wrap and your fabric are compatible. So other than that, happy sewing. I hope you're enjoying this holiday time. I have lots of time and I'm just so many wonderful projects, but mostly happy Hanukkah, and we'll see you next week before Christmas. All right, happy sewing. Bye for now.